Hi there, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bridesmaid single bouquet. We actually had a bouquet set training in one of the vocational centers I work in. We learned how to make various types of bouquet, both by words and particularization. Like here, I was unplugging the waterfall, or you can call it cascade bouquet that we made previously so that I will explain to them. And then we made this batch. Now, if you can see, I put letters on each of them. So if you're interested in learning letter A, I have that class already available in the Vendcraft Academy, and also D is available in the Vendcraft Academy. So you can go to the description below and click on the link for the Vendcraft Academy and you make a request for that. It's Miss Class 2 and 3. And then for the full bouquet, I have that already on the YouTube channel. So I'll be dropping the link also in the description below. For today's tutorial, remember it's in the class and I didn't use my ring light again, but my apologies, but you gain value. So here I am chopping off the leaves to separate them, ensuring that the stem is still there. Now this is your balloon straws that you can see me holding, and all you need to do is cut off your flower from the bunch like this. It's going to be small like this, and you're going to use candle glue and stick it as you can see over there. The next thing you do is you take your floral tape. Now the floral tip has the stickable part, but that part sticks when you apply pressure like so. See, you see that my hand is stuck to it, can you see? But if you don't apply any pressure, it will just be coming out like that. So when you're turning it around, ensure you apply pressure. But you start first of all by putting uhu gum on the tip, and then I'm going to start wrapping the stalk. Make sure it touches the part that you have glued so it covers any glue, because when you use candle glue it brings out some whitish things that would cover up when you do this. Then I take my leaf like so, ensuring that the front of the leaf faces up, and then I'm going to use the tape and cover it up. And that's the same thing I'm going to do with my feelers. Anything you want to put, you're going to be using this flower tape to cover it up, so it gives it that natural look of a real flower. Can you see, these are what you call feelers? So I'm using that also to wrap it up, so you can do it anyhow you want to do and form your design. So I'm going to be wrapping it all the way down, but as I wrap, I'm going to be explaining some other thing. Now, in case you are making for more than one bridesmaids, what you need to do is get the 2 straws after you have put it without wrapping, and use biro to mark out the positions where you put all the feelers and the leaves, so that you have all of them uniform, having the same length. And if you want to see various designs for bridesmaids, I have a video already on numerous designs that I made for bridesmaids. You can check the link below. I would also include it there. And if you want to see other designs that I have for other bouquet sets, you can also make a request in the comment section and I would give you the link to that, because I've put that up already on my video. So when you get to the last part, you must leave a little part down so that you see what you will do with it. So I'm going to cut it off now, and then I would use my uhu gum to put at the little part that is left there. Remember I said you would leave a space, so it's extended a little below the stalk. Then I would use my hand and twist it like so, roll it, then take the scissors and push it in. And that's how I made the bridesmaid single flower bouquet. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and check out this next video.